Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Tech. Today I'll be showing you how to duet with save video on TikTok. For you to duet with save video on TikTok, there are different methods of doing it, but please watch this video to the very end so that you understand this specific method. Okay, using this video here, I'll tap on the share option and I'll save the video. Okay, I'll look for another video. I will tap on the share option too and I'll save. Then I'll go out from my TikTok, go to my Play Store app. This is my Play Store app. That you can install this video college maker. I already have it in my phone. Tap tap on the video, create new one. Tap on any of this. I use this one. Now tap on the plus icon in front of the screen there. Then tap on this. Okay. Okay, now done. What else? Now we tap on this good option here. Then choose any of the size you wish it to be. Tap OK and save. Okay, so it's saving. So guys, that's it on how to do it with save video on TikTok. If this video was helpful, please don't well to like, subscribe, share, and don't forget to leave a comment at the comment section.